Okay, so now I'm signed into Drive. Here's my name right here, and you can see the extensions that I have here. And the other thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my Drive. And I'm actually going to go ahead and open up a new Google Doc, and I'll also open up a new Google Sheets, or sorry, Google Slides. But now I need to go out on the research and find some research for the topic that I'm doing. So let's go ahead and say that I'm going to do a research on grizzly bears. Okay, so we're going to go here to the grizzly bear website, find some basic facts, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. And to have kids do their research on Google Keep, they just go ahead and click this little light bulb, which all of them will have, and it automatically saves it in their Google Keep. Okay, so let's go back to another website so I can show you how it saves different websites. If you save it from the same website, it will put all of them into OneNote. So there we go, and I'm going to save to Google Keep. Let me go back down here and let's find something else. And save to Google Keep. All right. The kids can title this if they want to. They can also see, you can also see that it gives them the website that they have, and it's saved it. Okay, there's not a lot of other, they can add a label. So if they want to add a label, they can call this whatever their topic is. And so there's a label. And I can actually go to Google Keep anytime by just coming here to my waffle and finding Keep. And you'll see all of the notes that I've taken over the years, days, if it ever opens. So there are my two grizzly bears. I've got a lot of polar bears items on here as well. So the thing that I can do is I can change the color of my notes also so that they're easier to find. And I didn't add a label. I added a label on one of them, I believe. So let's see. So grizzly bear, and create that. And I think, did I create the label on this one? So let's see if I created a label. Okay, so there I've got my labels on there, and I color coded them as well. Now they don't really need this anymore. So now what they do is they go to their presentation, and let's just say we're going to do this on grizzly bears. If I could type. Okay, so now I can add a new slide. And all I need to do is come up here to Tools and go to my Keep Notepad, and it shows up right here. So I can search for my notes. So I'm going to type in grizzly bear. So there it comes. There are my notes from my grizzly bear. I can do whatever I would like. I can come here, copy. I can drag this whole note right in here. Okay, that's not really the best way of doing that. What I have the kids do is they type their notes, they look at their notes, and they put it in their own words. Okay, so you can see how that works. It works the same in Google Docs. Again, go to Tools and go to their Keep Notepad. And then again, do the search, because it's going to go in alphabetical order. And we'll go to grizzly bear, and there they are. Okay, so the other thing you'll notice is that their the website is also listed there, so they can always get back to the website to find the more information, but they can also use this for their works cited page. So that's using Google Keep, and this is option 1.